Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna talk about this one, how to create a grill door like this. Okay, so some of the customer they receive an AutoCAD with this pattern door, right? How to import lah? Okay, very simple. Or we use panel point edit to do it. Okay, this one also using panel point edit to do it. But first you must remember and be concerned about this one. Okay. So you see this one, the AutoCAD here. So for this AutoCAD by the customer, you can see this one AiHouse cannot read like I told you, it's not join line, and this one you see is intersect or it's not join line also. So this one also intersect, it's not join line also. And you see this pattern cannot. Or you see click on the line, they are separate. Okay, they are not joined. So this one mostly cannot. Okay, so I may show you the correct one. So this is the correct one. You see when I click one, all is joined. Okay, so make sure you see here and here, you see that here, and all those lines you cannot do it. Okay, so you only can do something like this join line. Okay, the pattern. Okay, so remember save as DXF the file DXF. Okay, take note of here that now we're going to show you how to do it. Okay, so now you may come to here. Okay, drag a rectangle. Okay, drag a rectangle to show you. Okay, go inside. Okay, so I hide the things. Same thing, hide these two. Okay, so we very simple, just using this one called system cabinet only. Use system cabinet. Drag the superboard. Okay, superboard. So superboard, this one drag out. Okay, drag out. Then you must change the size. The size must same as the AutoCAD you plan. So I change it to 1500. Enter. And the depth is 1570. Enter. Okay, so the first thing here I may need to do is I open the hole. Open the hole first. Okay, so we come to here. Okay, how to open hole? If you has been to extension class, then you should know lah. Okay, so I click B, board selection, click on the thing, right click. So panel point editing, open the hole. Okay, so free drawing, open the hole. So click here. No, rectangle. Using rectangle. Okay, click here, and this one I put until 400. Okay, until here. Okay, until here 400. So I click another one, rectangle. Click here. So this one until 110. 110 is here. Correct. Okay, 110. Click. Then after that, I create inside the inside rectangle hole. Same thing, rectangle approximately here until here. Everything you must calculate first like you see, I do very easy but I have calculated everything already. The how many hole. Okay, so just right click array. Okay, click on it array, so you can set horizontal and vertical. So if you have been to the extension class, you may know what is array can do. Okay, apply. So save and exit. So this is the hole already. Now we're gonna import the pattern. Like this curve sheet usually hard to do in AiHouse, but you can do in AutoCAD. Okay, so I'll just import the thing. Same, we just check out the superboard first. Okay, this one's too big. Like this is okay. Then I right click. Make sure it's board selection. Right click, panel point editing. Same thing. This time we import the CAD file. Import this one. Okay. Import this one. Okay. See. Import CAD. Import this one in here. Where is the file? wait a moment, the file is somewhere here. FAQ video October curve, the curve lah. Okay, open. Okay, so you can see the pattern now. Oh, the pattern. Okay, save and exit. Okay, so the pattern had complete. So I'm gonna move it lah. Exit the box selection first. Press jack, then you can move it. Okay, so I move it here. So you see this one, the size is not ngam, right? Never mind. Or we can add another banner to cover it later. Okay, the important thing is you do the pattern first. Okay, so I move it, the pattern. Okay, move the pattern first. The size is according your this one called AutoCAD. Okay, so you must do your AutoCAD correctly, the size, because in here you cannot redo. Okay, so later I will add the banner here. So now I'll copy first, Ctrl V. Okay, another one, so I'll put here, move down, move here, just move it to join. Okay, so copy another one, copy, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, copy another one, move again. Okay, move down. Okay, let me see, should be okay lah. Down a bit. Oh. Okay. So this one I later put two banner to cover up the thing. Okay. So here select. Okay. And you can group it first. Ctrl G. Group it first. Okay. So make sure it become a pattern. Okay, so I put pattern. Pattern F flower. Favorite it. So new category, get door, GATEDOOR. Confirm. So where's my get door here? Okay, confirm. So it will save and the get door but never mind, you now is a group. Okay, never mind, I'll drag it out to put here. So just click get door, then you drag out the whole thing. Okay, so you press Z to move again on this one. Click on it, move it. Now it's a group, so we will move. It will move together. Okay, move it. Okay, lovely. Okay lah. Then you see this area, right? Maybe I put banner if you want. So put banner to cover up lah. Banner. So you can adjust it. Okay. Pop. So you must know your this one thickness before that. Okay, the thickness is 20. This one thickness is 20. Simple. Go to one panel. Okay, just drag one of the banner. Then we change the depth. Okay. This one is the banner. 400 and 5 is the depth. Okay. So I'll just change it. Or 5. Okay, never mind. We use back this one. Use back this one called Superboard. Oh, it's the best. Okay. Superboard. Banner class. Superboard. Okay, use back as Superboard. Simple. Okay, Superboard. Try out. Okay. So change the size of. Okay, exit. So change it. As we know, this one 20 correct. The depth is 1445. 1445. Okay, change it. Oh no, this one is the white. This one is the 1445. Okay, 1445. Enter. Okay, and this one I put 30 only. Just put 30 only. Become a banner, then I move it up. Oh, just press Z button. Okay, button Z. So you can move it. Move it. See, you can adjust the gap. Okay, here. Oh yeah. Okay, let's say this one is not deep enough, so I change it to 50 lah. 50. Okay, it's better. Oh, it's better like this. 60 lah, make it 60. Okay, even better. So we conform lah with 60 number. Exit. Okay, then so we gonna copy this banner lah. Just click on it, Control V. Okay, so just move it lah. Click on it, drag, and can move it. Move it here, then move it up. Oh. Then move it here. So make sure it fit lah, or something like this lah. Okay. So if here you want to put another banner, you also can put another banner, or you just move the one. I better put another banner to cover it up. Okay. So I put another banner. Simple as that. You can add and open hole. So this one I use part. I put another banner, same, using board selection. Okay, this one I'm gonna move it a bit. Okay, so this one should be. So you may just adjust this one now to suit here lor. So number I change lah, I know already. Then I put this one white 290. This one I put 80. Okay, then I click on this one, press Z to move it. Okay, move it, just move it. They are same now. Okay, so this one I press Ctrl V, copy another one, move again. For this one here. Okay. This one I may move a bit lah. This one I move a bit to here. Okay, so we just click this one now to change the material. Okay, change the material. Let's change the material first. material, I choose gold color. Okay, select this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change to gold color material. This one, gold color material. Okay, after that, the grill, this one we put aluminium. I select this one. This one is what? Aluminium, dark gray. No? This one is, yes, select this one. Just click. Then copy material, right click, builder, paint it. Okay, right click, exit. Okay, so after that, you may need to group it first. Just highlight the thing, press Ctrl G to group it. Okay, give it a minute. Ctrl G, group it. Okay, after success group it, if you want to save it, then you may just give it a name. Okay, GRL grill door. Okay, then favorite it. You can favorite in the category get door. Okay, confirm. So you can come back favorite and get your get door after that. Okay, so now I'm gonna rotate this one now. Okay, so now I'm gonna rotate this one. Press shift, select the thing, then change the X button to 90 degree, make it stand. Okay, press shift, select the item. Okay, the whole thing grill door, correct. Then rotate it on the X, press 90 degree, enter. Then change the distance, make it come up. So I'll make it 1200. So you can see this is the grill door. Okay, happy trying. Bye.